Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm doing a 21-day spring reset, and here is a great breakfast for that reset, or if you just want to have a breakfast that doesn't have oatmeal and is very porridge-like, just like oatmeal. So this is a cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, tastes just like a cookie, hemp porridge, and here are the ingredients. So you're going to need 3 tablespoons of hemp seed, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and you'll need a half a cup of plant milk. I'm using unsweetened plant milk, which is almond milk. And I'm also using a sprinkle of that ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And what you want to do is just go ahead and start with the hemp seeds. Put your hemp seeds in, put your flax seeds in, your chia seeds, and you can either warm the milk up beforehand if you're going to have it right away and pour it over it and stir it up, or if you're going to have it the next morning, you're just like meal prepping for the next day, you can go ahead and pour the cold milk over it. And what I like about doing it that way is it's going to give you kind of that chia pudding effect, where the chia seeds will start to soak up and swell and thicken everything up. And then if you want to have it warm, you can just go ahead and heat it in the morning. Or if you want to have it like a cold chia pudding, you can eat it just like that and it'll be really tasty. I also decided to cut up half of an apple just to add some sweetness, because I'm not adding any added sugar or any maple syrup or anything like that. But feel free to do that if you want. I'm just keeping this really simple, low sugar, no added sugar, whole food, plant-based for this 21-day spring reset that I'm doing. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think of the recipe. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see some other things that I'm posting about the reset, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.